Sass?
It's coming closer.
Stickers! Stickers! I'm a sticker.
Oh no! Oh, Sass!
Now what's happening?
Could you go over there and
She's gonna get it. It's coming through.
get her whale out from underneath that?
It's coming.
It's coming. Sassy, it's underneath there, sweetie.
Go!
Oh, Sassy!
Let me see if I can push it out.
Oh, poor girl.
Go get it, Sass.
Oh, Sassy, go get it, sweetie. Oh,
Well, there's a current there. One of the pumps.
oh.
Jump in and get it, Sassy. Come on, get it.
She doesn't like the water.
Well, it's going over to the. It's going over by the red. Go by the red ball, Sass.
Give her a purpose in life and half
Sass, go back over there.
What, honey? Oh, well, she hates it when it goes under the waterfall. Watch.
Oh no.
Here she comes. She's going to have to do it. She's going to have to swim to get it. Okay, here you go.
There you go, honey.
Okay, here
Go
you
on,
go.
go get it. Go on, go get it. Atta girl.
You're always swimming.
She's a good swimmer, isn't she?
Good girl,
Just had
Sassy.
to. She knew.
We're always swimming.
Good girl.
Sass.
That's a long retrieve, kid.
Yeah.
I'm getting out of here.
Yeah. She's gonna get you for that.
Yes, Sassy.
Good girl.
Good girl, Sassy.
Good boy.
Yes.
Not by my camera. Not by my camera.
Go.
Oh, and she didn't even. Oh, she went over there. Good girl.